Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little fairy wand for Valentine's Day, or you can actually use it for centerpiece decoration. You can make a lot of them, put them in a vase and put them on your table. What you're going to need, I'm using felt. So I have 2 hearts cut out in heart shapes. I have some stuffing. I'm actually using a foam batting. It was thicker than this, but I cut it in half to make this one, and I have this one here left. I have some cute little embellishments. This rod, I will leave all the links to Amazon where I got all this stuff from. Ribbon, thread, and needle. Also, I have hot glue just in case. But before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Also, make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, just in case comments are turned off here. You can comment on my videos on Instagram, because I'll either have a snippet of the video or a picture showing you the tutorial that we've done for the week, and you can make your comments there if they're turned off here. And let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, I have this double threaded, and I just tied a knot here. I didn't pull it all the way through, I just tied a knot. You can use yarn if you want, but I'm going to just use thread today for this tutorial. So now we're going to sew all the way around, leaving an opening to put the foam through. And there we have it. Quick, simple, easy fun. You could decorate these however you want. You could use different fabrics. You could use the regular stuffing for these, sequins embellishings, pearls, flat back pearls, rhinestones, whatever you want for your child you can make. And you can also use a different stick. You can decorate the whole stick if you want to. You can use yarn instead of ribbon. There are so many ways you can make these cute little heart-shaped fairy wands. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. As I stated before, you can make these however you want. You can use different type of fabrics, different types of embellishments. You can decorate the stick if you want to, but these are really fun, really cute, really easy to make. You can make them in different shapes. It's easier to use the felt and just sew it. Like I said before, you can also use yarn if you want to stitch your felt pieces together. But that is all for today. I hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. It kind of lets me know what you like and what you don't like when you give me a thumbs up. It's not just for it's for views, but it's also for letting me know what kinds of videos you really like. So the more thumbs up I get, the more videos I will make in that genre. So thank you again so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Please make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.